Wait, what's your YouTube name? Didn't you commented on one of my videos?
Oh, let's go for MGM. I have two.
You guys think I should go in? Keep this thing?
If you're gonna fail, yeah, let's do it. Go.
And Kyler's gonna get in there and suck.
Whoa.
More fair?
Wait, hey, can I see the shotgun?
Are you? What?
Can I see the shotgun?
Hey, now that the teams are divided, can I join a random
shit.
team?
This side, because Kyler's over there. Why? That's over there.
That side. That side. They're gonna get pwned.
Just go.
They're gonna win.
Go.
They're going to lose.
No, for a fact.
This is automatic, dude.
Oh, I don't want your shot. Fine.
Wait, Kevin, I'm having second thoughts. I think they're gonna lose and they're gonna win.
Yeah, that's what I say. Okay. Germany! I feel so bad for you.
You're gonna die a horrible death.
Oh, come on, guys. What are you doing? Get up there.
You're hit on the head! Get out!
That's what you call ninja fuck.
Oh, they ran way too fast. Damn it! You shot me.
Oh, that's...
Where's Mo?
I got out second here right here.
See, they ran way faster than me. Otherwise, I could kill up here. Except for
Mofo, he's still in.
Lucas, go over there.
Mofo and Will are still in.
I'll call that. You tell him, Matt.
You got a pistol, get a close position.
I think I'm in there. Come on, noob.
Is Matt the one in there?
Yeah. Oh, there he is. Come on, Kyler, kick his ass.
Let's go, Kyler.
Go, Kyler, go. Go. Oh, shit. What the f...
What the hell?
Dude, he's in the barrel. I know. Kyler. Oh, damn.
I saw it hit you!
I just got hit. Oh, I gotta stand out of the way of this. I just got hit twice. Ah! Damn it! Hey, dude, we're out!
We're not in.
What the hell, Germany?
Grenade.
Our ref, TJ.
Roll it.
Say hi, TJ.
Too far.
Say hi, TJ. Oh, shit. Get that in my face.
Yeah, I was running up here with Germany. I was running, I couldn't
Oh,
make it
out.
to this one and
Nice.
then...
You guys still have ammo?
Germany,
Yep.
shot me in the ear. In the ear.
Sorry, I thought you ran.
That's game. Head on in, guys.
I saw two guys walking. Look, come on, I got ammo. Let's go get it.
Some people are out of ammo.
Germany,
And that is game.